Alright, what's going on, guys? We are going to be installing some of new headlights for Anna's FRS today. Let's see. So, here are the headlights. She got the VLAND headlights, and who got them?
You and my mama.
Yes. So, we got them for her birthday, and they're going to be going in this sexy beast right here. And yeah, it should be pretty easy, and we'll just take you guys along. All right, so we're gonna start off by taking out these bolts right here and this, and just kind of taking off this front part of the bumper.
All right, so we got all the bolts out, and once you're done with that, you can take out this resistor panel and move on to the next step, which is to get the clips out from this side fender well.
So she's getting the Phillips head. You just gotta twist it a little bit until it lifts up. See how it did that? There. Whoa, how did it zoom in so much?
This one doesn't do it. Why? Oh, okay. Come.
No, just do it. Use your fingers. Bonk.
Beep, bop, boo, pow. Bada, bop, wow. Ta-da!
So it seems we are now taking out side markers.
Broken. Okay, well, I can't pull this thing out without breaking it.
Well, you did watch, like you told me you watched the video on how to take it out, right?
Yeah, they just took our side markers out, but my clip is broken, so it kind of puts a damper in things.
Why is your clip broken?
I don't freaking know. But it is. You know, you can't get it unbroken. I can't get it to unclip. It won't come out. If you can pull that clip out, that'd be great. Without breaking anything.
Very carefully. Gotta pull them out. Pull out the stuff.
I'm not sure how to do that.
Wait, are you sure there's nothing left?
I have to pull this out to go to the next step. There we go. Stupid metal clip. Alright. Let me have it. I can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
No one will come out. I can't. It won't come out. Release! It's just gonna stay there.
Okay, so that was really annoying. Those clips were absolutely horrendous. There were so many on the bottom of the bumper, and it took forever to get them. We destroyed like half of them, but we finally got it off. Ta-da! Unplugged the fog light, unplugged the side marker, and bam. Now we have a fresh bumper. Now we'll start taking the headlight brackets off. Probably have to take off this thingy and do that and whatever the hell this is. And yeah. first headlight out. Let's freaking go. We are very noob at doing car stuff. So this is fun and exciting.
And difficult.
And difficult. On to the next. We have both headlights out.
Finally. It only took an hour and 20 minutes.
Yes. Now we will look up a tutorial on how to put VLAND headlights into a car.
We dumb.
We are ready. We took a quick break. Now guess what? We're watching a video. We have, what's his name?
I have no idea.
Okay, we're watching I Have No Idea. So we're gonna do it after we watch I Have No Idea. Let's go. So we're doing our best here. We've watched a couple videos and we found one that kind of makes more sense. And let me show you what we're working with.
All right, so what we're doing, we have the wiring adapter that VLAN sent us, and then we're gonna use the wires that come attached to the turning signal. You don't wanna use the one that like plugs right into your headlight, because that one came with this adapter, which we don't need to use for the VLAN setup, at least so far. All right, so what we have the green, the red, and the black wires. You kind of had to pull the sleeve up to get some exposure. And these were covered by white, and I just kind of bit that piece off, and you want to twist them so they're not fraying. And white goes with green, yellow goes with red, and black goes with black. So like we have the 3 colors here. And you're gonna start by wrapping the white wire around the green wire. All right, and now that we got this one connected, we're gonna move on to the next wire.
Action. See, now it is weird when you're around other people, huh?
It's just because it's not just me and you anymore.
Yeah, I know.
So awkward.
It is.
Okay. All right, so we finally managed to figure out how to do this. Instead of plugging in the BRZ adapter to the fog light power source, we literally all we had to do was take these wires, and you see how we exposed them like on the last one. We are just wrap and taping them right above the wires on the fog lights, and then we just plug this into there, and that's it. You know?
Yeah.
Simple. A lot more simple than I made it with the first one, but figured it out like halfway through.
Alright, while Banana Cleo over there finishing up the wiring job, I'm gonna reassemble this headlight. Ooh, it looks all dusty.
It is
But
dusty.
yeah, we're gonna get this thing done hopefully tonight, right?
Hopefully tonight.
By midnight.
Take a shower.
Alright, we have everything in. They're all wired. They freaking work. Anna, go turn them on. So bright. Very pretty. Where them hazards at? Woo! Let's go! Alright, thank you guys so much for watching that video. I didn't film an outro while we were in the garage because we were tired, and really I'm just not that great at vlogging, and like I kind of forget to like vlog certain things, but it's okay. Doing the outro at the setup, and I appreciate all you guys for watching. I hope it was a good video. Soon, maybe next week, not sure exactly when, I'll have a slammed enough Destin video. As you're watching this, we already went to it. And then after that, we'll have a exhaust video for the 370. I ordered that as well, but I am waiting on the exhaust. I don't know when it's gonna be here. I ordered it from SoCalZ, and it may be a minute, but one thing did come in already that I ordered straight from Gretty, so that'll hint at the exhaust. I mean, here we go. Here's a little sneak peek. I don't really want to take it out of the wrap because I just don't want to. It's kind of expensive for just an exhaust tip. But yeah, we'll sneak peek. It's the extended tip from Gretty. I think this is the 170 millimeter length. Yeah, just to help it stick out because I'm just that type of guy, and I have an Nismo, and you know, I want to make sure that the tip is like, you know, sticking out past the bumper. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see on the 370. Of course, we do need to lower it, but don't worry. I'm working hard every day to try and get some money to modify my car and do what I love. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.